Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Nissan Navara D22 STR dual cab ute, stock reference number 4145. This shape runs from the 4th month 1997 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. The left-hand guard appears to have no damage. It's fitted with aftermarket 15-inch alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror in chrome. Both left-hand doors have light wobbles and a couple of small dents. With the left-hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 15-inch aftermarket alloy mag with a bald tyre. It's got an AMA alloy tray supplied with all bolts and everything to fit to your vehicle. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand rear 15-inch aftermarket alloy mag with an average tyre. Right hand side step with all bolts and brackets sold as a pair. Both right hand doors have light wobbles and a couple of small dents. Light fold on the front edge of the front right hand door. Right power door mirror. And a right front 15-inch aftermarket alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, transfer shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.